not escape, Baba. Baba. Peter. You worked it out? Put him down. Peter, you're not allowed to go out. What's wrong?
This is Jean. How can I help you?
Sit down, baby. Sit down. Sit down. You're a busy boy. Don't touch anything, Baba. Peter.
3:15?
Peter.
Yes. Would
Call Granddad.
okay. That's okay. I can reschedule for another day. Now I can either do
Peter.
the Wednesday, the 14th at 3:15, or I can do the following week if you don't want to have. Especially going to Sydney.
Piggyback again? Piggyback, Daddy? Oh no, poor Daddy.
Yeah.
Pee wants piggyback
So what about
all the time.
Alright guys, we're back in the car. After the second hearing test today, it was not successful still because our baby is angry. He was so angry at the hearing test. We couldn't, like 4 of us guys are trying to hold him and put him in the prom so he will settle down, but then it was a failure. He was very stiff and he's very strong. Oh my god. Right, Daddy?
I need a beer.
I need a Moscato too. I need a wine, he needs a beer.
It's only 11 o'clock in the morning, I need a beer.
Yeah, from the stress. So, it was, for the second time it was a failure. So we decided we let push through. We will wait until he grow bigger, like 4 to 5 years old maybe. Maybe he will settle down and then we'll try to do it again. But wait a minute, Daddy, my seatbelt is not on yet.
Oh, money, I cannot drive.
Yeah. See you later, guys. I just have to put my seatbelt on. Alright, we're heading now to McDonald's. We're in the city, guys. Not city, we're in the proper. Actually, this is already called the city, no? Because it's very progressive compared to the other towns. So there's a Thai restaurant. It's very nice there, guys, because you have a sitting... What is it? Sitting on the floor, dining, Thai, and the food is very yummy too. So we're here now in McDonald's drive-through.
Mommy want anything?
I think I need something to calm me down.
Cheeseburger?
Nah, not really cheeseburger. Maybe sundae? McFlurry. Here, McDonald's drive-through. We're gonna reward our Baba, guys, even though we're gonna reward him for being naughty today in the hearing test. Even though it was not successful, but still we're gonna reward him with
Large
chippies.
and Oreo sundae. Oh, McFlurry, thanks. Very good.
Got the units there, guys. Oh, it's very nice. This is the main city near the ocean. The city that's near the beach. Right, Daddy?
Yes.
Near the beach. So here, guys, we are cashless. We just pay cards. We don't bring cash.
Tap and pay.
Tap and pay. Tap and go. So it's cashless town. Yeah, and it's safe for COVID too, right? We don't bring cash because COVID or the virus can stay in the cash the money for quite a long
Yeah, I have to
long
wash it.
time. So you got the big buildings over that side. And the Turo Sushi. Is it a sushi
I
restaurant?
think so, yeah.
Yeah. And that far they have the cherry blossom also. Inside the Turo Japanese restaurant, guys, is a cherry blossom tree. So you can enjoy your dinner, lunch with under the cherry blossom. And this is our McFlurry. McFlurry. Oreo McFlurry. This is our treat for ourselves.
Thank you.
And this is for our little chababs. Chippies. Even though it was not successful, but we're still treating him chippies. Alright, where are we up to, Daddy?
We'll go to park at the beach. It's only 1 minute away.
So we're going to the beach now, guys. This is really the place itself is nice because we are in between the mountains and the ocean. So it's a city within the mountains and ocean. So you can enjoy the beach just 1 minute from here. That's the Wynn Stadium.
For football, soccer.
That's where we play the football, soccer. Not we play, we watch the soccer, football and soccer is the big
And then,
sports here.
basketball.
And the basketball in that side. That one there is the basketball.
Concerts.
That's where PBL, Philippine Basketball League also played here, guys. They played here before. I haven't watched it. Last year, was it last year?
Yeah, they come here last year.
Yeah. And this is Chico's, is our favorite lunch date. We bought in that shop and then bring it here in the beach. So here you see, there's the beach there. And that's the big brewery. You can drink beer, wine.
Beer, wine, or homemade local beer.
Homemade local beers. That's very nice. It's a big shop. You can eat and have some beers, wine. And this is where the free buses park. And there's the park there for the kids. That's the school for the girls.
Yeah,
St. Mary's. That the blue building, white blue building, that's the St. Mary's School for only girls. St. Mary's of Sea College. And this is the car park overlooking the beach, and that building you are seeing right now, what's a city beach, that's where we got married. There, guys, City Beach Function Center. It's overlooking the beach, and next to it is the restaurant called Steamers. It's quite expensive, but the food is very nice. There's Steamers. So we're here now in the Wollongong Harbor Front. Why, if there is fire truck here? Are they having lunch?
Practicing, maybe.
Practicing? There are fire trucks, guys. How many are there? 2 fire trucks.
Maybe they're practicing on the cliffs.
To rescue.
Yeah.
So here you can have picnics, family picnics during the weekend because cottages are free. You can use the cottage for free. Kids can play, and sometimes kite flying, is it? Kite flying.
Yeah, the festivals.
Festival.
Parties.
And you see the pink van over there, guys? That's the best ice cream in town.
Mr. Whippy ice cream van.
Mr. Whippy. We haven't had. Remember, you said we're gonna have some. We're gonna buy some in that ice
We
cream.
buy chicken, fish, and chips, and we're not hungry for ice cream.
Yeah, true. So we're here in the second deck. That's the lighthouse over there. That's the first deck of the car park, overlooking the ocean. And this is the second deck. Down below is the first deck. So here's the beach.
The function center.
There's the
where we got
function
married.
center where we got married. So we have our photos overlooking the beach too. There's not much in here, but you can see the flags You cannot see from the video, but the flags are there, meaning it's safe to go swimming.
It's the safest place to swim.
Safest places to see. And before, guys, there's the surfer.
Dolphins last time.
Last time we saw dolphins in here, like plenty of them, but I wasn't able to take video of it because I thought I did, but it wasn't. I didn't press the button, so unluckily
We missed out.
we miss out. And from afar, there's two
There's five
small
islands.
islands.
There's
Five islands there. And over there, guys, is the industrial place of Wollongong. The the Ruby Princess,
Yeah.
the first, was it the, no?
It was the
Cruise ship?
Yeah, the head.
They had how many, 200 something of infected of COVID-19 in that cruise ship.
Sydney were not accepted, so it came here to Wollongong.
Yeah, supposedly it was to be in Sydney port, guys, but they did not accept the Ruby Princess cruise ship because of the infected people, passengers, so they dock in here in our port. See how kind are the Wollongors? Wollongors.
Selfie time for these people.
Selfie time. It's nice to take pictures in here because of the view. Alright, time for our baba, or mommy will eat it first. Chippies. Looks quite hot. Alright, guys. We're gonna say bye-bye now because we're gonna eat. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel from Australia with Love with my dear husband, Paul Green. And don't forget to comment below in every video that we have, and support our program in Wow FM 97.5 every Sunday 5 to 6 p.m. guys. See ya. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Papa.
Bye, Chababa. Chababa, bye-bye. You want some chippy?
You want chippy, Mummy?
Bye.